Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's spend a little time with our local fishermen. About 30 canoes are stationed here to fish. Each of them have names and numbers to identify who these vessels belong to. Yehovah care, God says, Atani no size, and many among others. Kusum Beach is one of the coolest escapes you can ever hang out. It is located on the Koklobite Road. Aside people coming here to have fun, it is a business center for the people in the community. The tribes you can find here are the Gans and the Fantis. At 6 o'clock a.m., the fishermen in this community set off to the sea, 3 men on each canoe, fully prepared to make a catch. Hooks and lines are the only fishing tackle used here. The amount of fish caught depends on the climate change and how smart the fishermen are. They use no outboard motors, just strong muscles to sail across the ocean. Today is Sunday, and already some fishermen have packed off their vessels out from the sea. But this is the last canoe to arrive. Both young and old assist in pulling the canoe to the shore. Is today one of the luckiest days for these fishermen? Everyone who helped the fishermen in pulling their canoe from the sea gets a prize at the end, as well as the market women who come to the sea bargain with the fishermen on the price of the fish. Due to the heavy waves of the sea, women are not allowed to go for fishing. So in supporting their men, they sell these fishes upon arrival. Right at the entrance of the shore, the fishes are displayed on the table where pedestrians pass by. It ranges from the lowest to the higher price. Pacho, octopus no na mwechichi one na white. Thank you for joining this journey. See you in my next video. Bye bye.